What is formula for dot product of two vector? Yes, dot product of two vector formula.
So same or different?
Pardon?
If it is same, if for dot vector, if it is same, then it is one, and if it's different, then it's zero.
What you are saying? I didn't get what you are saying. Same it
I
is
am saying
one.
that if the dot product is of the same vector, then it will be one, and if the dot product is of two different vectors, then it will be zero.
No, 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 no. Please, you people study properly. Yeah? Dot product of two same vector is square of magnitude, not one. And then if it is different, then you have to search angle. Dot product formula is AB cos theta or AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. These are two formula. Don't get confused, huh, please. Pratham? Hello, Pratham?
Hello.
I think you got confused.
Yeah, yes, I
See,
think.
two vector का dot product मतलब क्या? A B cos theta है ना formula?
Yes.
और AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. So whenever I ask, ये दोनों बोलना. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
अभी रीड
Yes, sir.
करो, 9th सम रीड करो.
Force F acting on a particle displaces it from the point A 3, 2, 5 to B 1, minus 3, 7. If force is 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap Newton, find the work done if the distance are in meter.
Very good. So if I find distance from A to B in vector, then only I can get that work done, which is F bar dot displacement, है ना?
Yes.
Work is dot product of force and displacement.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. अभी ये A point है, ये B point है. तो it is like ये position vector है उसका, बराबर ना? From some reference point. ये दूसरा position
Yes.
vector. नहीं समझा?
समझा.
Okay. So A to B distance I have to find. Let me tell you what it will be now. Going from A to B. This is origin means 0, 0, 0 coordinate now.
Yes.
So can I say OA vector plus AB vector is OB vector?
Yes, resultant vector.
हाँ. So AB vector is OB bar minus OA bar.
Yeah.
And OA bar is I cap, ये coordinate X वाला I cap minus 3J cap plus 7K cap. ये X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z. So X coordinate I cap, Y coordinate J cap, K coordinate Z coordinate K cap. This be followed in vector form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Once you become acquainted, then directly AB मतलब B और A का difference ऐसा. Now this is my displacement na, S bar, correct or not?
Yes.
1I minus 3I is how many I?
Minus
Minus 2I.
2.
Minus 3J minus 2J
Minus 5.
plus 7 minus 5 plus 2. Now
Plus.
work done is F bar dot S bar. What is F given?
Two I cap plus 3J minus K.
Minus K. Then its dot product means I का coefficient multiply 2 into minus 2. प्लस j का कोएफिशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई 3 इंटू -5 प्लस -1 इंटू 2, so -4 -15 -2, -4 -15 -2, -19 -2 -21 joule. Any doubt?
No.
सॉल्व. ये चैप्टर थोड़ा आपको कंफ्यूज करेगा, बी अलर्ट. Do slowly, understand, and then proceed. One mistake I did. This is 7. Oh, written. Sorry. Written 7. I thought I wrote 5 by mistake.
So yesterday I called you, right?
Hmm. Yes, you had
So
called.
yeah, so just I wanted to ask, like, are we going to follow the PCB timetable which for the Sunday test, like they have all given? So all the classes are now like started with that. So like, are we also going to follow that only now?
No, I will follow every Sunday test as I have told 4 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
That is the difference between me and them, huh?
Yeah, sir.
Because nobody gives planner. With that method, 15 days ka gap, it will be difficult to remember. Correct na?
Yes, sir. Means like PCB this Sunday तो test है ही वैसे भी physics का. Even next
नहीं
Sunday is
मुझे मालूम है
also.
ना मेथड क्या है. एक 2 संडे फिजिक्स रहेगा, एक संडे नहीं रहेगा, फिर एक संडे केमिस्ट्री नहीं रहेगा, एक संडे बायो नहीं रहेगा. ऐसा है ना?
Yes, yes.
वो प्लानर आपके फायदे के लिए नहीं है, उनका वैसे सिस्टम विले पार्ले में है, तो वो अपना काम इजी करने के लिए करते हैं वो. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
लेकिन मुझे अपना काम इजी नहीं करना है, आपको मार्क दिलाना है. फिजिक्स में 15 दिन का एक गैप आ गया तो विल नॉट स्टडी, एंड आई एम फॉलोइंग प्लानर ना, so it will be easy, not difficult. Then
Okay,
if
sir.
you feel that method is better, you tell me. I feel my method is better. See, if I run the branch at 4 5 place, then I'm not bothered for the student. I'm bothered only by 10 student doing best. But if I'm having only 20 student, I want all 20 to do best. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I plan in that way. But still after 1 week, you feel no, sir, your plan is not better. Then suggestions are always welcome. This they have done because two groups, they have come from Ville Parle in the building, and they don't want to keep different tests, because then how they will set different paper. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So to make their job easier and take less tension, they have done that way. My method is different. I take tension and make your marks increased.
Doing so.
Tenth one. Show that A bar plus B bar dot of A bar minus B bar equals to A square minus B square. Show that means we have to prove left hand side is A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar. So this is A bar dot full bracket plus B bar dot full bracket. Clear this much? Any doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt on this one.
Oh, okay. Now when I open this bracket, I get A bar dot A bar minus A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot A bar minus of B bar dot B bar. A bar dot A means A square, dot with
Yes.
itself is square, minus AB and plus BA are same, dot product of interchange is same.
Yes, yes.
So equal opposite will cancel, minus B bar dot is B square. This is same as right hand side.
Yeah.
So hence proof. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, one.
Okay, sorry.
Sir, done.
Okay. Sum number 11. If P bar is 3i minus 2j plus k and Q bar is I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Find P bar cross Q bar. P bar cross Q bar is determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. फिर P का इधर coefficients 3 minus 2 1 1 1 3. Now I should remember that rule, that I cap bracket minus j cap bracket plus k cap bracket. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. For I we forget I line, huh? Minus 1. Any doubt in first term? I wala?
No, sir.
No. J ke liye forget J. 3 3s are 9 minus 1. K wala forget K wala column. So it will become 3 into 1 3 minus into minus plus 2. So minus 7 I cap minus 8 J cap plus 5 K cap. Copy. Yes. अरे क्यों बार बार फोन करते हो, मुझे नहीं इंटरेस्ट। Cross product means that rule method. Remember carefully.
Done.
Okay. Twelfth. Very, very, very important sum. Find the moment of force F bar applied at a point 237 about a point -123. क्या मतलब है पहला उसका देख लो. Suppose this is one rigid body. Force is applied at a point. So if this is point 237, here force is applied. Okay. Meaning followed this much?
Yes, sir.
We want moment about one point. This point is suppose P -1, 2, comma 3. I don't know whether you are remembering what is moment. Moment means turning effect.
Perpendicular distance into
Correct. Moment is
force.
different. Yes, correct. Moment is nothing but torque, है ना? And torque is a vector which is r bar cross f bar. ये बहुत important है. Torque is a vector. What is formula? R bar cross f bar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And r bar मतलब ये distance ना, इधर से इधर तक. So here r bar will be this distance, means you have to do q and p का coordinate का difference है ना. अभी एक सम कराया देखो, ऐसा मैंने बना दिया था. ये दो पॉइंट याद आया, b और a का डिफरेंस मिला वर्क डन में. So distance from P to Q, if you have to find this coordinates, you have to subtract ulta Q minus P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 2 minus of -1 I cap plus 3 minus 2j cap plus 7 minus 3k cap. So 3I cap plus 1j cap plus 4k cap. Once I get R, F is already in vector form. Can I do the formula now? Tau bar is determinant. I think you followed what I'm saying.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Always first R will come. This is very, very important. Because if you do ulta, then plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Always first R. So 3, 1, 4. What is F bar given? What is F bar?
3I cap
Hmm?
minus 2j cap plus k cap.
Minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay. So its coefficient is 3 minus 2, 1. Please copy this much. Any doubt? Clear right now. Don't go at home and then search for doubt.
Done, sir.
Okay.
So just a minute.
Just only the diagram I can rub.
Sir, so the final answer I got is 9I
1
cap
minute beta.
plus 9.
1 minute. 1 minute. You may be right. No man. Check करते रुको एक मिनट. हाँ.
Okay, sir.
खाली देखो एकदम आराम से कॉन्सेप्ट समझते जाओ. नथिंग इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. फिजिक्स का एडवांटेज एक बार बहुत अच्छे से करना है. देन यू रिमेंबर मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स. डिसएडवांटेज घाई किया नहीं समझा तो लाइफ में नहीं समझेगा. I cap bracket minus J cap bracket plus K cap bracket. For I cap 1 into 1 is 1, minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. And for J 3 into 1 3, minus 12. For K minus 6 minus 3. So 9 I cap, this is minus 9 plus 9 J cap minus 9 K cap. Same you got?
Yes, sir.
So max to max you can take 9 common or leave like this. 9 common if you take, then I plus J minus K cap. Unit will be Newton meter. Torque unit Newton meter. Everybody has followed this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is
Yes,
work,
sir.
then
Well
dot
understood.
product or cross product for work? Work is dot or cross?
Dot.
Dot.
Sorry,
No, no.
dot.
Dot ना वो स्केलर क्वांटिटी डॉट. ये याद रखना है आपको. Work is a dot. Work is a dot. And torque is cross.
Cross.
because this mistake, if you do, answer will be totally different. Sum number 13.
So can you just show it once again? I was writing. Yes, sir, done.
Next one, sum number 13. Vector A bar B bar forms adjacent sides of parallelogram, then determine its area. A bar B bar are 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap 3i cap plus 2j cap minus of 3k cap. Are two adjacent sides. Find area. Area is a scalar quantity or vector quantity?
Scalar.
No, area is a vector. Current is a scalar. So area of parallelogram will be two side ka cross product. What about torque? Vector or scalar?
That is vector.
Vector. Area is what? Scalar or vector?
Vector.
Therefore, its result will be cross product of two side. A bar cross B bar is area vector. एक बात समझा देता हूँ कैसा. If this is theta, this is A, this is B, and this is perpendicular distance, I am calling height. Any of you know formula of area of rectangle from lower standard?
Half into base into height.
Base into height. Yes.
Half
Half
is into
base
sine theta.
Base into height is the formula. So my base is area A and height is theta ka samne wala side. So sine theta is opposite side h upon b it will become, because b is hypotenuse. So h is b sine theta. What is AB sine theta? Is it cross product ka magnitude?
Yes.
Yes.
So that's why we are finding cross product. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understand.
So area of parallelogram is cross product of the adjacent sides. After this, what to do? Make determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. 2, 3, minus 1. 3, 2, minus 3. Then I cap bracket minus j cap bracket plus k cap bracket. I want this, you have to solve.
minus done.
Yes, what you got? Tell me.
Minus 7 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 5 k cap.
Minus 7 I cap, correct?
Yes,
And for J, what you got?
plus 3 k cap.
Beautiful. Plus 3 J cap. Perfect. And for K?
Minus 5.
Array. Great. Minus 5K. Correct. This is the area.
Meter square will become no?
Pardon?
After that meter square will come no?
Because unit is not given, na? You will just write square units.
Okay.
If they say find magnitude, then root of minus 7 square plus 3 square minus 5 square. Can I go to the next sum now? If 13 done. चलो एक स्टेप और इसको लिख देता हूं. So its magnitude will be root of minus 7 square plus 3 square plus 3 square plus of minus 5 square. So 49 plus 9 plus 25. 49 plus 9 is 58. 58 plus 25, 83 square units.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. 14. Find the cosine of angle between vector p bar and q bar. Whenever angle is asked, what I told you last lecture, what we'll do? Always take dot product. Always write somewhere. Whenever angle asked between two vector, always dot product. So cos theta will be p bar dot q bar upon pq. This means dot of vector upon magnitude, which is root of x square plus y plus z ka squares. So 4i plus 2j plus 3k. This is 2i plus j minus 3k. Then 4 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Pratham. Hello, Pratham.
Yes, sir.
After the lecture, just wait up for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I take dot product, it will be numerator 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 3 upon root of 16 plus 4 plus 9 into root of 4 plus 1 plus 9. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 minus 9 upon root of 29, 9 and 1 10 and 14. Yeah, please copy till this. Once you complete, then signal me.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So we got 8 plus 2, 10 minus
Yes,
1.
sir. Wait.
Acha, acha. चलो 8 plus 2, 10 minus 9 is 1 upon root of 14 into 29. Multiply and tell what is 14 into 29. Please multiply and tell me.
406.
406. So this is your final answer. 1 upon root 406. Now 14th, can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 15. Show that AB bar equals to 2I cap plus J cap plus K cap. BC bar is I cap minus 3J minus 5K cap, and CA bar is 3I minus 4J minus 4K. Forms the sides of right angle triangle. What is meaning of sides of right angle triangle? One of the angle is 90, na?
Yes.
That means if one angle 90, I don't know who is 90, just example I'm telling. Suppose this is right angle triangle. So one angle will be 90 or not?
Yes.
So suppose one side is A, other side is B, other side is C. I don't know whether AB will be 90 or BC will be 90 or AC will be 90. I don't know. So one whose dot product becomes 90, they are forming perpendicular side.
Yes.
मतलब मुझे 3 बार डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालना पड़ेगा ना. सपोज 3 साइड्स आर देयर, 1 2 3. 1 का 2 के साथ, 1 का 3 के साथ, 2 का 3 के साथ, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
किसमें भी 90 मिल गया तो राइट एंगल है, नहीं तो नहीं है, बराबर?
Yes.
नॉट फॉलोड शायद वर्डिंग्स.
समझा sir.
समझा? गौरी फॉलोड?
Yes, sir.
यस. कृषा यू फॉलोड?
Yes, sir.
श्रुति, Rishida, 3 sides are there. We'll take dot product one by one. First and second, first and third, second and third. If comes 90, that means 0, then we'll say they are perpendicular, means they are sides of right angle triangle. So first I'm finding A bar dot BC bar. This equals to 2I cap plus J cap plus K cap dot with I cap minus 3J minus 5K. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 5. आप ना इसको प्लस 5 ले लो. प्लस 5. एक मिनट, इसको प्लस 3 ले लो बेटा. प्लस 3. So this will be 2 plus 3 minus 5. क्या है आंसर? 0 आ गया.
Yes.
So A bar is perpendicular to BC bar. AB bar is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, they are sides of which triangle?
Right.
Yes, right angle triangle. हो गया. If first attempt it will not come, then you will take first and third. But here I know it is printing error plus 3. They are the sides of right angled triangle. Shall I clear? 15.
Just a minute, sir. Done.
Okay. 16th. Find vector AB bar and its magnitude if it has initial A 1, 2, -1 and B as 3, 2, 2. We want AB vector. How to get AB vector? I had explained you now. It is B ka coefficient, coordinate, and A ka x coordinate I cap plus 2 minus 2 j cap plus 2 minus of -1 k cap. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Now I don't wasted time in triangle because you got the idea. So B vector ka coordinate B minus A ऐसा. So 2 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 3 k cap, and its magnitude will be root of 2 square plus 0 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9 root 13. Clear?
Sir, if it is given B is the initial point and A is the final point, then
Final minus initial.
it will be opposite. No?
What opposite?
Then it will be 1 minus 3, then 2 minus
You have
2.
to check this whether you want AB or you want B.
Yes, sir. Understood.
If you want AB, then B minus. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. 17. Will you try 17th on your own? Same type of sum.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is 7, no? First part.
No, 4. 4 it is. 4 it is. 4. 4 to 5. Done.
Yes.
Next is also same. find the vector drawn from point A -4, 10, 7 and to the point 3, -2, 1. Also find its magnitude. So same na, AB bar will be 3 minus of -4 I cap plus -2 -10 j cap plus 1 -7 k cap. So 7 I cap -12 j cap -6 k cap. And magnitude is root of 7 square plus of -12 square plus of -6 square.
It is root 229.
How much root of?
Root 229.
229. Okay. 144 plus 36. 49 plus this will become 180. Yes, root of 229. Correct. 19. Next one, can I give you homework? 19 same. Find PQ bar and its magnitude. F1 वो mistake से print हुआ है. 19th homework, can you try? Same है ना?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing now 20th. A body is acted upon by two forces, F1 bar, F2 bar, having magnitude 6 Newton and 8 Newton. If the angle between them is 60 degree, then find magnitude and direction of resultant. Let R be resultant and alpha be the angle. What is formula for resultant? Root of F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 times F1 F2 into cos theta.
Yes.
देखो वो लोग ने नाम बोला F1, so I cannot call P and Q.
Yeah, understood, sir.
So this is 6 square plus 8 square plus 2 6 into 8 into cos of 60. 6 square 36, 64, 2 into 48 into cos 60 half, 2 will get cancelled. So 100, हाँ क्या?
Root of 148.
Root of 148 Newton is the magnitude of resultant force. Copy.
If we can simplify the number in the root,
Then
then
it's
the
okay. Otherwise, you can leave like this. Can I clear this? Because even angle is missing.
yes, sir. we can.
For angle, formula is tan of alpha is q sine theta upon p plus q cos theta. Oh, sorry. It is not q. फिर से लिखता हूँ. That is It is F2 sine of 60 upon F1 plus F2 cos 60. With that formula, I made this resemblance. What is F2? How many Newton?
8.
8 Newton. Sine 60 is half,
Yes.
and
Ah,
F1 is 6 Newton.
Sir, cos 60 is half. No, how will sine 60? It will
Cos
be
60 is half.
divided.
So 2 into 4 is 8. This is 2 into 4. So it is 4 root 3 upon 6 plus 4. That means 4 upon 10 root 3. 0.4 into root 3. 0.4 into 1.732. 4 into 2, 8. 4 3s are 12. 28, 129. 4 and 2, 6 after 4 digit decimal. So alpha is tan inverse 0.6928. Solve. Done.
Yes.
sir, 1 minute. Done, sir.
Sum number 21. Two vectors P and Q have magnitude of 3 and 4 units. Find the R bar. R bar means magnitude and direction both. If angle between them is 30 degrees. R in magnitude is root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. That will be 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4 into cos 13 root. 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 2 into 3 into 4, 24. Cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. So 25 plus 12 root 3. That is 25 plus 12 into 1.732. So 25 plus 12 into 2, 24 carry 2, 36 and 2, 38 carry 3, 84 and 3, 87 carry 8, 20. So root of 45.784 units. Copy.
Done.
Then for angle, q sin theta upon p plus q cos theta. So it will be 4 sin 30 upon 3 plus 4 cos 30. 4 into half upon 3 plus 4 into root 3 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. So it is 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 3. Three plus 2 into 1.732. So 3 plus 4, 6, 4, 3, 2 upon 6.464. So 1 upon 3.232.
So can't we do like the previous one, what we did, like we added first and divided by, like in the previous sum we did 4 upon 10, 0.4 we got. So
What you are telling, I can't understand.
sir, in the previous sum, before that we just did the same thing, like means like 2
It will
upon
vary
5.
from per sum to sum, no?
No, I mean like can't we like do or what here is exactly? Because like it is
What? I
the
don't
same
understand.
thing.
What you are saying, first you think.
So in the 20th question, the last step like this only it was for root 3 upon 6 plus 4 it was. So here also it is nothing but 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 3. So can't we add first 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 2 upon 5 root 3. So we can solve that first, right?
No,
2
that means
divided by
I
5.
think I have to take extra lecture for maths. First was not like this. First one
There
was
was
not like this.
a whole number. There
It
was a
was
whole number in
totally
the
different. It was not like this. This is unlike term 3 and 2 root 3. Are they like term? We can't add now. It is x plus 2y. Can we add x plus 2?
No,
This 3 is x. This is suppose y. Can we add?
no, sir. I understood. I just did a mistake. I just misconfused.
3. See, don't make this blunder. 3 plus 2 root 3 we can't add. It is unlike term. 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3 we could have added. Huh? See, if it is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3 we could have added.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So today we'll stop here. Your target is till 30 and 10 homework. This is your target for Sunday's test. 30 numerical and 10 homework wala. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो मैं इवनिंग में ना आपको उसका वीडियो लेक्चर भेज दूंगा आगे का 10 का. Just go through it so that in exam you are not having any confusion.
सर आपका वो YouTube का चैनल का नाम बोला, मैंने सर्च मारा, मुझे नहीं मिला.
नहीं मिला. मैं आज पहले लिंक भेज दूंगा आपको, फिर देख लेना आप. हाँ
Physics power.
हाँ फिजिक्स पावर है, पर मैं आज लिंक भेज दूंगा तो यू कैन आई थिंक मैनेज, नो प्रॉब्लम.